Welcome. Today, we're diving into the concept of networks, and we'll start right here in our homes. Think about all the devices you use daily: your TV, computer, printer, tablet, and even your smartphone. These devices can connect and communicate with each other, forming what we call a network, but more specifically, in this case, home network. But what exactly is a network? You have 1 minute to share what a network means to you. All right, did you come up with a definition you're happy with? Here's the definition we came up with. A network is a system of interconnected components, such as computers, devices, or nodes that communicate and share resources with each other. Back to our home network. Once these devices are connected, you can share files, photos, and documents with other devices on the network, print documents from your computer, tablet, or smartphone, stream videos from your smartphone to your TV, and share the internet connection among all your devices. For the average home user, the specifics of the network they're on or how it operates aren't important. As long as they can browse the internet, use social media, and get their work done, they're satisfied. But for us, understanding the mechanics of how this all works is key. To enable communication between these devices, they need to be connected in some way. One method is by connecting them with cables to a device known as a switch. In simple terms, a switch is a network device that enables multiple devices to connect and communicate with each other. Now, let's explore how a switch operates. Consider a college or a call center where the switch connecting the computers is often located in a separate room. So how do these computers connect to the switch? In such environments, computers link to the network through wall sockets. Cables behind these walls run to a different location where they connect to a device known as a patch panel. Each wall socket that we connect a computer to links to a port on the patch panel. From the patch panel, we can then connect each of these ports directly to a switch port. Most people don't have a switch at home. Instead, they use a different type of connection device. So far, we have discussed wired connections. But what do you use if you want to connect devices wirelessly? At home, we typically use a device called a wireless access point, WAP, which enables smartphones, tablets, laptops, and other devices to connect to the internet without needing cables. A wireless access point, WAP, provides wireless connectivity to devices like smartphones, tablets, and laptops, enabling them to connect to the network without cables, using Wi-Fi technology. In contrast, a switch connects multiple wired devices, such as computers and printers within a network, using Ethernet cables for stable, high-speed communication. While WAPs are ideal for environments requiring wireless access and mobility, switches are essential for creating robust wired networks in offices and data centers. Typically, WAPs are integrated into home routers or used standalone in larger networks, whereas switches are found in networking closets and server rooms. Now that we know a bit about the similarities and differences between a WAP and a switch, we can also connect them together. This allows wireless devices connected to the WAP and wired devices connected to the switch to be part of the same network. Having both wired and wireless connections gives us more flexibility. For instance, if you want to use your laptop away from the cables, you can easily connect using Wi-Fi. Whether you have a wired or wireless connection, the ultimate goal is to have devices connected together, sharing resources and communicating efficiently. For sender and receiver devices to communicate properly, they need to understand each other. This means they must agree on a common language for how data is sent, received, organized, and handled. This language is called a protocol. There are many protocols, each serving different needs. You will often hear about protocols such as TCP/IP and Ethernet, which are used for sending information from one device to another. Other protocols, like HTTP, are specifically used for accessing websites, while SMTP is used for sending and receiving emails. In practice, several protocols usually work together to accomplish a common task.